Alright guys, so anyway, okay, saya buka market pagi ni Saya tengok market pagi ni just kita tengok market dulu kejap. Alright, if we look at the market today, okay, dia bullish lah. Alright, dia bullish, naik sampai saya ingat tadi plus 20 Alright, so basically last week kalau kita tengok Dow Jones basically close very strong last week. So last Friday lah, malam tu Dow Jones close quite strong sebab diorang ada macam, you know lah, there's harapan ekonomi akan dibuka semula, okay, updates on vaccine and stuff lah. Alright, so benda tu spill over. So kalau kita tengok market kita pagi ni pun, okay, market kita pagi ni pun bullish. Alright, cuma saya ada beberapa concern lah juga. Okay, actually I think the past few weeks ni market kita sentiasa bullish I mean like it's going up and it's going up and it's going up. Alright, cuma okay, kalau kita tengok, I just give you a simple information lah, okay, update lah So KLCI kita sekarang 1426. Alright, today dah plus 18 points. Pagi tadi dia plus sampai 20 And then if you look at the volume kita belum belum touch half day lagi, tapi volume dah 2.57 billion shares exchange and value pun dah kat 1.1 billion. Okay, belum pukul 12.30 lagi. It's about 619 down, three counters unchanged, tak berubah. Okay, and when I look at a lot of the stocks lah, alright, sebab some of them saya pegang. Okay, ingat tak saya pernah bagi talk about the timing of the market tu. Okay, saya tahu ramai yang cuba nak time the market. Alright, so it's not possible to perfectly time the market for your information. It's not just unchanged, tak berubah. Okay, it's not easy nak time perfectly tu. Okay, sebab tu when the stock went down, okay, sama lah, because I hold a portfolio in the market. Jadi apabila harga stok jatuh, of course portfolio saya jatuh, betul tak? Okay, and then saya rasa saya ada post kot before the pandemic ni. Okay, kan saya ada beli quite a lot of shares. Okay, kalau you all ingat lah, saya punya posting, saya ada bought about 100 over 1,000 worth of shares. New shares are the one, not including existing about 100 over 1,000 and it went down. Okay, so that time tu saya ada make like a half decision. Okay, saya tidak dispose semua, but I cut some. Alright, sebab I don't know which way is the direction of the market. Macam saya selalu explain dekat you all, when you talk about direction of the market, nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows which the direction of the market. Apa yang kita hanya boleh buat, okay, within ni ialah membaca what's going on with the situation. Dari situ kita predict. Okay, but we don't know our prediction will be correct or not. Okay, sebab tu saya tak jual semua. Okay, so when the market is going up like this for the past few weeks, saya pun tengok saya punya portfolio dah recovered, okay, in terms of value, okay, because they dropped half from last time. Some of the shares dropped half. And saya check pagi ni, portfolio saya increased by more than 100,000 already compared to last time. Last time masa dia tengah at the lowest tu. Alright, so that's an improvement. Okay, you can see even my EG itself pun drop sampai, saya ingat hari tu 75 sen pun ada rasanya. And now it is trading at $1.18 this morning. So that's a ni lah, especially when you hold a lot of my EG lah. Okay, sebab saya hold a lot of my EG. So when the my EG goes down, okay, memang tak terni lah. Saya pun kadang-kadang tu malas, saya tutup mata dah. Okay, I don't watch my portfolio anymore, but I know I lost in the hundreds of thousands. Saya tahu. Okay, bukan loss lah, some of the counters yang saya baru beli tu ialah loss but saya buy at high, but some of them tu saya dah buy lama, jadi benda tu is profit, but profit tu dah shrank, and some tu back to the break even, some tu turn to negative. Okay, macam-macam. Okay, because I have a lot of portfolios. Okay, dalam portfolio saya ada banyak different type of shares. Okay, so that time saya tak jual. I didn't sell everything because I didn't want to time the market. Itu saya punya goal. Okay, people were trying to time the market at that time. Okay, so people end up disposing their shares, everything. Ada yang macam tu, and hold cash. Okay, saya tak deny, yes, cash is king sekarang. Okay, at this our current situation, cash is king. And kalau betul berlaku that so-called the Great Depression and stock went to rock bottom, so betul lah, people with cash will have the advantage. Okay, jadi sebab tu juga saya masa when the stock went down, I also cut some of my shares because I need the cash. Okay, I need the cash bukan untuk kelangsungan hidup. Dari dulu lagi saya dah tekankan. Okay, one of the biggest fundamental failure orang yang invest dalam market is dia selalu macam diingat that to be successful in the stocks ni, you need to be smart every single thing dalam stock market, but dia ignore the fact that they need more than that. Basic dulu. Okay, and basic dulu yang saya selalu duk banyak kali saya duk cakap, which is your source of income. Alright, your source of income. Your source of income in the stock market, ataupun source of capital lagi tepat, not source of income. Your capital in the market, kalau duit tu adalah duit yang you perlu pakai dalam masa terdekat, you are in trouble. Okay, you are definitely in trouble. Okay, sebab tu basic foundation is whatever money you've put in the stock market is actually money that you don't intend to use maybe 10 or 20, 15, 30 years. Okay, duit tu memang duit untuk retirement. That's why you try to grow it in the stock market. That's the basic of the basic. Okay, kalau benda ni tak faham, memang you won't be successful in the stock market. Because you end up putting every single thing, emergency fund, apa duit nak kahwin, even duit yang baru dapat baru-baru ni pun you akan masukkan dalam ni, thinking that you can double, you can triple. Okay, sebab orang selalu optimistic, but they never thought that it's always two side of the coin. Okay, market boleh go up, market can go down. So if when it comes to why people sell and desperately sell, is because duit tu dia orang perlu untuk kelangsungan hidup. I think that's the right word kan, right? Ayat betul, kelangsungan hidup, untuk meneruskan hidup. Okay, you need to pay that for your ni expenses you apa semua. Okay, and then kalau yang jenis lifestyle tinggi tu memang sorry lah. Okay, so this is one of the reason lah why people end up selling at pressure. Okay, dia tahu kadang-kadang contoh okay, I don't want to talk about the penny stocks lah. Okay, because benda tu tak ada fundamental. Okay, it's more on speculation, graph and volume, syndicates apa semua lah. Talking about the fundamental stocks. Okay, fundamental stock kita tahu it's very, kalau nak cerita jangan detail we are just talking about basic saja. Okay, fundamental stock, why they recover is because they have good foundation business. Okay, and then along dia dah lama dia establish business tu, they have the reserve to survive during the bad times macam ni. Okay, sebab tu dia boleh recover. People yang invest dalam tu believe in it at the same time. Okay, maksudnya macam you can go lower macam MyEG lah. Okay, saya bagi example MyEG lah, senang kan. Okay, daripada RM1, saya ingat RM1 when I started buying it was about 150, then when 140, 130, 120 level sampai ke 75 sen. Okay, jadi people will trust and buy because kebanyakan orang masih tak faham stock market ni, is they think that when the prices go down, they always think like, oh habis lah, dia naik 10 sen, 25 sen. Okay, these people do not understand how to relate the business and the stock market. Okay, stock market is always about the business. Bila kita cerita pasal stock market, equity in particular lah, maksudnya membeli saham. Bila kita nak cerita dengan orang baru saya ni beli saham. So the easiest, paling senang example ialah apabila saya beli sesebuah saham, saya secara tidak direct telah menjadi satu owner dalam syarikat tersebut. Walaupun pegangan saya sangat kecil, tetapi I have some interest in the company. Okay, so the company tu, is it a good company or a bad company? Itu je. Okay, ini nak put simple nak put to simple perspective and put to simple understanding. So that's why we are not worried. Okay, for an investor, kita sentiasa do the DCA because we believe that the company can rebound, even if it take years. Okay, and our benchmark is always, kalau saya lah, saya tak tahu orang lain. Okay, saya akan benchmark balik kepada alternative investment yang ada. Okay, macam contoh, kita tak boleh compare direct to direct, but just telling you that that's how I think lah. Okay, so saya akan compare dengan ASB, tabung haji, EPF. These are the common ones. Okay, yang ada, yang safe lah. Okay, stock market is relatively safe sebenarnya, but dia ada risk tu. But with knowledge, and you dah lama dalam ni, and you faham the fundamentals behind how to make money from stock market, the real thing not the trading yang orang duk cerita-cerita in out, try to teka naik turun apa semua. No, not that one. It's by holding to a good business and growing together with the business. Itu idea sebenar investment dalam stock market. It's how the rich people make money. Okay, most rich people yang saya kenal, bukan yang trader yang so called ni, yang keluar masuk banyak kali ni, trying to teka sana sini. Okay, graph ni besok akan jadi macam ni, malam nak rempit. No, it's not that one. The rich people invest in the stock market, and sebab diorang ni berbisnes.